Hello and welcome to my channel Tastefully Home Cooked. Today we are going to be making a delicious hummus. We're going to begin by adding to our food processor 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. You can use 2 cans of chickpeas or you can make your own, and I have a video on the description link below on how to cook your own chickpeas. I'm just going to give them a couple of pulses. And then I am going to be adding some garlic, 2 garlic cloves, about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then I am going to be adding some black pepper. You add the black pepper to your own taste according to how much you like. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of powdered paprika and a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano powdered or finely grated oregano. And finally, I am going to be squeezing the juice from 1 lemon, making sure you have some strainer to catch the seeds so you can squeeze the lemon ahead of time and then pour the juice over your mixture. I am now going to use my food processor to mix all of this together. It's going very slowly because it's very thick. If it is too thick and the food processor that you're using is struggling a little bit, you can add a tablespoon of water at a time. I am noticing that it's a very thick, so I am going to add 1 tablespoon of water to my mixture. And then I'm going to blend it one more time, about 1 more minute or so. It's still very thick and my food processor is still struggling a little bit. My husband likes it thick, but I think I need to add 1 more tablespoon of water. And then I am going to blend it for about 2 or 3 more minutes, giving my food processor a short break in between. After a total of about 5 minutes of mixing it on and off, this is the final result. It's very creamy, it's very luscious, it's very velvety, it's delicious, and I'm going to pour it into a serving dish. You can prepare this ahead of time if you're going to have visitors at home or if you're going to be taking it to a party or to share with your friends. I like to eat it with veggies, carrots or celery, or you can serve it with pretzels or your favorite chips. Here is the final result. It is velvety and creamy. It is so delicious. I wish you could have a taste of it. I'm just gonna have a bite with some of my favorite pretzels, and you can also serve it to your kids as snacks. That way they can eat their veggies and they will have something nice and tasty with their veggies. If you have a different recipe for hummus, Feel free to leave a comment below. It would be great to learn other recipes and other styles and other different flavors to add to our hummus. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share with others. I would like to learn from you what you like to do in your country. If you're watching me from other countries, this is the way I like to make hummus. Sometimes I introduce different flavors and like to have fun with that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on other homestyle recipes, and I hope that you have a fabulous and very blessed day. I'll see you soon.